Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. Why do we leave milk and cookies for Santa? In Norse mythology, it was a bribe to Odin's horse. In US tradition, it was an expression of gratitude. But a plate of cookies and glass of milk doesn't really scream thank you.
I think the milk's a little sour.
Unless we add a little hooch and create an amazing milk punch. Let's get this thing started.
Basement bartender.
In Norse mythology, Odin rode an 8-legged horse during the Yule season. Children would leave treats behind to try and coerce the horse to stop so Odin would leave presents. This tradition returned in the US during the Great Depression when families were hit with really hard times. Parents wanted to teach their children the importance of gratitude. And though they couldn't give much, they could give a plate of fresh cookies and a cold glass of milk. But after going through the motions for so many years, let's just say the offering has lost its true meaning.
I am just about this close to taking all those presents back to the chimney with me. Supposed to drink that milk.
Let's treat Santa to something a little more special this year and make him a bourbon milk punch that'll knock his stockings off. Rim a cocktail glass with caramel and butter toffee pretzels and set it aside. In a blender, combine 1.5 cups of vanilla ice cream, 2 ounces of bourbon, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a full teaspoon of maple syrup. Add a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into your prepared glass and garnish with caramel, cinnamon, and more butter toffee pretzels. Cheers. Gone are the days of Santa taking a courtesy bite and swig. This thing's gonna be gone. And hopefully that new cocktail smoker you've had your eye on will find its way under your tree. Boop the buttons to help the channel. Happy holidays, don't drink and slay. We'll see you next time.